Hey guys, there's been some big news for PlayStation 4 and also Xbox One regarding the release of new content for Black Ops 4. I think this might be the first time in Call of Duty history where they have changed the release times in early access for PS4 or Xbox with exclusivity deals. Microsoft Xbox had the early day exclusive deal up until Black Ops 3, and then it switched over to Sony PlayStation, and Xbox users have been having a big problem with that ever since. And I certainly don't blame them. And leading up to Black Ops 4, we were wondering who's going to have the exclusive deal. We all knew it was probably going to be Sony PlayStation, and Xbox was going to have to wait another 30 days to get new content and new DLC. There's been a huge outcry from the Xbox community really hating to wait 30 days. It really is not fair to them. And it looks like yesterday they announced that they are changing that format. And today they posted an article about it on Activision's blog. It is the Black Ops 4 post-launch support first details. It says new content 7 days early on PS4. The article reads, following last week's incredibly fun Blackout beta, developer Treyarch yesterday shared the first details of the post-launch plans for Call of Duty Black Ops 4. The studio's mission to deliver a new level of community support and engagement for Black Ops featuring the most active calendar of events in studio history and a variety of free content coming to the entire community across multiplayer, zombies, and Blackout. Here's just a sampling of what's in store for the entire community for free following launch. Nuketown, this fan favorite map, returns in an all-new take in November. Specialists prepare for a new character to debut in December with more to follow. For Blackout, launch day is just the beginning. This map experience will evolve. Be on the lookout for map updates, expansions, and new Blackout modes. Events, seasonal and time-limited events bring new game modes and content. Treyarch reiterated that the studio is 100% committed to supporting the Black Ops community for the long haul, and that this is only the start. It's really nice to see them announcing this and going to be doing this, because Epic, that makes Fortnite, is really good with supporting their game and being on top of it. So they are definitely setting a new standard, and it looks like Call of Duty is having to follow lead. And the next paragraph is the important one, talking about PlayStation and Xbox. And for fans who want even more content, there's also the Black Ops Pass, which is available for standalone purchase at launch and afterward. Speaking of content, PlayStation 4 players will get to play new content first on PS4 by 7 days. So this means PlayStation now has a 7-day lead on Xbox, not a 30-day lead. This also includes PC or Battle.net and also Xbox. You guys are only gonna have to wait a week to get new DLC. That is really awesome. There's gonna be one little downside to this for zombies, and I'll explain more of that at the end of the video. The last page of the article reads, this means all the playable content coming to Black Ops universe following launch will land 7 days early on PS4, including new specialists and maps, as well as seasonal events. After 7 days, all new playable content will come to other platforms. In addition, PlayStation announced today that there will be multiple PS4 bundles releasing across Europe on October 12th, giving fans a variety of choices to enjoy Call of Duty Black Ops 4's thrilling multiplayer, zombies, and Blackout modes at launch and beyond. Exact bundle offerings and details vary across region in Europe, so be sure to check out local markets for the latest information. So yeah, this is great for Xbox and PC. It's been a long time coming. This exclusive deal situation just really hurts the players, and the only downside to this is the situation with Easter eggs and zombies. For the past few years, you would have a zombies map come out on PlayStation, and there wasn't a lot of data mining going on because people couldn't data mine a PS4. So PS4 players would have a solid 30 days to solve Easter eggs on the new zombies map with no data mining and no leaks. Then the 30 days was up, PC would hit, and it would get data mined, and things would get posted, and Easter eggs that weren't able to be solved were getting solved. So for new DLC for zombies, it looks like we're gonna have 7 days of legitimate hunting, and then the 7th day could definitely pose a problem where people will be digging into the code to find steps. I'm really hoping that Treyarch is super aware of this and they've taken steps to protect it. They may not be able to, who knows, but I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.